This is Gavin from BlastOne. Today we're going to be talking about the Schmidt Teravalve. Let me tell you something about the unique features of the Teravalve. The Teravalve is made of stainless steel and it's cast, and it's got unique wiper technology on the seals on the inside, which give it a 3 times longer life than the Thompson valve. It is a diaphragm activated valve, which means it is also very quick. It's the same type of valve as an auto air valve, which means you won't need your extra control valve that you normally have in a Thompson valve pot. And finally, 2 other things. You've got the clean out port. It's accessible by just 2 little bolts. This slides out. It means it will never get jammed up. You'll never have problems taking that off. It's very fast and a good way of cleaning out your valve if it does get blocked up. And then you do have the virtual position indicator. Basically that means this replicator here will tell you how much the valve is open on the inside. So you can tell at a glance, when the guys are blasting, you can tell how far their valves are open. If it's more than 5 turns or 4 turns, you cannot tell them to turn it back down again because they're using too much abrasive. So to summarize, if you are using a Thompson valve and replacing the parts regularly, or any other type of valve and replacing parts regularly, the Teravalve is the upgrade for you.